Good morning, you guys. I wanted to get dressed today and just show you guys like my everyday look that I've been doing for the past couple of months now. I was so excited to like film this video because we got some sun. Y'all, it has been gloomy so much lately, so I'm like, yeah, let me record this video for y'all. I got my new lens. Like, I'm just excited. I'm excited. So excuse me. And my excitement, girl, what? So I can't even talk because I'm so excited. Yeah, y'all, this has really been my go-to makeup look. I finally found the concealer that really just melts into my skin really nicely. So I'm hoping that I have a shade in it for the summertime. The gym has been tearing my skin up. But thankfully I have a new hairstyle. That's why I have been wanting a new hairstyle, because I need to give like the hats a break, which reminds me I need to wash them today because it's just a no. So I have a flip over sew in right now. Our edges are done, so I'm about to take my flexi rods down and let it fluff up a little bit while I do my makeup. So I just did like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 flexi rods. Used this curl cream last night, and y'all are about to see like my hair just looks so voluminous and just like everything. For one, I did get a styling gel, but I prefer the curl cream instead of the styling gel just on my hair right now, just because it gives me a stronger hold with the styling gel, but I do like the softness that the curl cream gives my hair. And with this type of hairstyle, I want it to look very effortless and almost like I just woke up out of bed. You know what I'm saying? Woke up out of the bed, turn my swag on type of vibe. Like, hello, do you see how perfect that is? Girl, shout out to Prose. Shout out to them for customizing my hair products, because baby, they made it so easy. If you've never heard about Prose, girl, let me tell you, it is so easy to find products just for you, because they literally customize the products for you. You take like a quick little quiz and you answer questions based off your environment, if you're stressed, all of the things, and you're able to pick fragrance free or a fragrance. I picked the fragrance is Melanie, I want to say Melanie, but y'all, it smells so good. It just smells like a summer day in the best possible way, not sweaty. It smells just very fresh and clean. It has definitely been a really nice experience using their products. Like, they work. It's no like ifs, ands, or like questions if it's going to work, because you know it's going to work. And they use clean ingredients. Like, we love a clean girl. This hair definitely gives me like that clean girl, like soft, effortless, beachy, wavy type of vibe. Like, I have been enjoying it so much. I really could just, you know what I'm saying, do one of these, run my fingers through it. Like, I just love like how that looks. I just love how that looks. It's not greasy or weighed down or anything either, which I love as well. I'm gonna leave the link so you can get started on your quiz in the description box below. And then I just use like a comb. I use my hands to rake so I can like hide the wefts and everything. It's gorgeous, literally gorgeous. Yeah, I'm gonna start off with my concealer because now the primer has set and settled into my skin. So I'm gonna use a little bit of the Lancome concealer. This one is in the shade 410. Y'all, I really hope I can use this concealer in the summertime, because the way it is buildable for my specific eye shape is perfect. As you guys see, I'm engaged. Just got engaged December, well, not just, it's been 5 months. Wow. It definitely took some time for me to like figure out what I wanted to do for like the wedding. I know I wanted to be small. I know I wanted to be very intimate, and people there that really love us, really support us, support me individually, support him individually, but also support us as a union, because with this being like a new chapter, I definitely am taking it more seriously, because this is gonna be the person I'm gonna raise my children with. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can't just be all willy-nilly with who is our support system. And so far we really have a great support system. Like, our friends are really, really great, y'all. The lighting is just crazy. It's back and forth because of the clouds. Is really cloudy today. So yeah, I'm just trying to figure out what like specifically I want to do with that, because I really do not want to spend the most money with, you know, wedding, but I do want something nice and small and just me. Like, it just screams like a Tia. You know what I'm saying? Like my new last name, just very like me. I want it to feel like very effortless. I want it to feel special. I want it to feel like almost like we come into someone's house, like kick off your shoes and relax your feet type vibe. I did know something was coming. Like, we talk about, you know, marriage and all of that stuff, getting engaged, all of the things. I knew something was coming, but I just didn't know it was coming on that day. Sometimes I'll be wanting a little contour, sometimes I don't, but today I'm not really feeling any contour. I'm gonna just do blush. But I really hope you guys have been well and enjoying the vlogs. I feel like I am not steering away from the vlogs. Oh girl, I'm actually gonna put some contour in. I know what I'm talking about. A little bit up there. But yeah, I hope you guys have been well and everything has been well with your families. Summertime is approaching. I feel like, I hope this makeup lasts in the summertime. I feel like it will. I don't think I'm gonna be changing my concealer for a while. Like, when I get hooked on a concealer and it's working, I will use it for years. You know, she's 30 now and things have changed, okay? The skin has changed. Seasons have changed. So yeah, just have to take care of myself a little bit differently and do things a little bit differently when it comes to my face and hair, because, you know, as we get older, our body just changes, hormones change and all the things. I feel like that's the main thing. Like, right now is I just want to embrace my age. Like, I am so thankful and grateful to be 30, because that's just such a privilege to say. I'm also taking into consideration that it is a blessing to be able to work. It's a blessing to be able to look at this hornet trying to get in here. Like, I can see, you get what I'm saying? Like, it's just so much to be grateful for, and that's just where I am living right now, in a place of gratitude. All right, now that that is set, I'm gonna take a little bit of this Hoola bronzer. This is actually new. I used to work at Ulta and I used to see the girls love Benefit down, and I never understood the hype. And me, I've always been this way. If it's something hype, I'll always be feeling like people lying. I guess that's my trust issues popping out, but girl, it just be feeling like y'all are just going with the flow of everybody else. And I, for one, am not gonna do that. I didn't want to love it, but I love it. Loving it, and you don't need too much. That's the one thing I love, is you don't need too much, so hopefully it lasts a good little bit. And I know they always say like, oh yeah, makeup expires. When does it expire? When? The expiration is when it is done, or when I just don't want to use it anymore. Like, that's the expiration. I never look at the expiration dates of makeup products, which I probably should, especially being that my skin is in an uproar right now. And it's like, I probably should, but I don't. Like, this is 12 months. I don't even know when I got this. Can y'all put an actual expiration date on there? Saving has been going well. I do want to get into my mom's kitchen, and we have a vision for how we want the kitchen to look. So I'm waiting to move some finances around so I can help her with that, and we can redo the kitchen, remodel the kitchen a little bit. And I think she got a really good estimate for it too, so that's a great thing. I'm trying to think if I want to put a little bit of blush on, like more, just a little bit more. This is the color French Rosette. So pretty, and I feel like it pairs really well with the blush that I put on underneath of my concealer. Let us go ahead and spray our face. I'm going to go ahead and use this One Size Powder Melt Glass setting spray. It just melts everything and makes it look very like good. Then I'm gonna also take the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip. I like to use this throughout the day too, if I'm home, because it really helps to refresh your face. Now my little trick that I do to just make my lashes look fuller and thicker is I take some eyeliner. This one is from Urban Decay, and I take it in my waterline for one, only on the top one, because I don't care for any eyeliner on the bottom waterline, just because it makes my eyes look smaller. So as you can see, like this eye versus that eye, it already looks fuller. And then I just take a little bit of the eyeliner on the outer corner of my eye, and that just also helps my eye shape look more open. I cannot stop touching my hair. I mean, oof, feels like very much so vixen-y, very vixen-y. Like, give me a fan and just let it, you know. I added my beauty marks back, but I also added some faux freckles to my face as well with the little freck. I got this in like a little I think it was like FabFitFun a while ago, but now I'm just going to take this and my hourglass brush. What brush is this? It looks like this. It doesn't have a name on it, but I use a little bit of this, not too much, and then I just dab it here just to brighten like my under eye up a little bit more. Yeah, just a little bit. Like, girl, I don't need too much, because you can get carried away with this. All right, last thing is my lips. So, and then we do my outfit. I'm just gonna put on the Refined lip gloss and blush, and then I'm gonna use this MAC lip liner in Cork and just outline my lips just a little bit. I don't need too much, because I feel like when it's too much, then it looks too structured, and like that's the part I'm trying to stay away from. I want to look more effortless versus like structured. Oh my freaking gosh, I'm about to go get ready, like put my outfit on, but there's a turtle in the backyard, and I'm like, why is it like scratching and stuff? This is why I'm like so grateful to be back home, because in the city, girl, I did not see no turtle. I barely saw a bird. But girl, it is a turtle back there, and I really think it's laying eggs. Stay tuned to the vlog, because you know I'm gonna show it. Definitely thinking about wearing this bag. I got these pants on. I think they're supposed to go like this, but I don't like it like that. It looks good, but then it also, because I have a short torso and my boobs take up part of my torso, it just, you know, it doesn't flatter me in my opinion. So I did flip it down like so, and I think this looks cute. And then like the tag is showing in the back, but then also the tag is showing up here, so I think it kind of just like goes with the vibe. I'll wear these shoes right here and wear this bag, and that's gonna be my look. That is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it useful, helpful, and hopefully inspiring. I feel so good sitting down again and like talking to the camera and talking to y'all. It just feels so good and nostalgic. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see next. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not already, if you like the vibes here, and don't forget to check out the description box for all the things that I used today, as well as to do the Prose quiz and customize your hair care so that you can get easy bomb results at home. Okay, and yeah, thank you Prose for sponsoring today's video again. We love a sponsee. See you guys in my next one.